These two tools can be very helpful for you. If you want to make your old photos new again, then this tool is for you. If you want to remove or change the background of your image, or if you have an e-commerce business, you can make your products look much better by changing the background. So let's start the video, but before that, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and click the bell icon button so that all our new updates reach you first and you stay informed about all the new AI tools. So this is our first website, and the name of this website is AIEASE. From this website, we can renew any of our old photos. First of all, you have to create an account. So our account has been created. I created my account with Google. You can create it with your email or Google. From here, you can upload any of your old images. Here they have given us some samples. We test this tool with their samples. So with this button, you can enhance the quality of your image, and with this other button, you can colorize your image. So let's generate it. Now you can see a clear difference in how well it has enhanced the quality of our image and also colored it. I liked it. Here you can find more tools like AI Image Watermark Remover, AI Object Remover, Photo Enhancer, Photo Restoration, and many more. Using this website, you can recreate old photos of your ancestors. If you want me to make a video for you on other tools as well, you can express your opinion in the comment box below, and I will make a video on the tool that received the most comments. So let's go to our second website called POKECUT. By using this website, you can remove the background of your images, you can enhance the quality of your images, and you can also change the background of your products for your e-commerce business. So this is the interface of POKECUT. So first we create our account. Our account has been created. So first we use its background remover tool. You can upload your image here. We will choose one of them. This will take some time. You can see how well he removed the background. We take another image here. This website is much better than other websites which, despite being paid, cannot remove the background as well. You can download it in high resolution in JPG and PNG format from here. You can see it's saved in my gallery. We click on this tool to change the background. We choose one of them. Here you can see that you can change its background by clicking on these buttons. You can see how well he changed the background. Or you can click here and choose your own background. Now we look at their photo enhancer tool. I choose one of them. You can clearly see here how well it has enhanced the image, and this tool does not show any watermark, and its resolution remains the same after downloading. You can easily download it from here in JPG and PNG format in high resolution. So these were our new and trending websites of today. If you are also looking for such new and trending websites, then subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates on all the new and trending websites. I will give the link to these websites in the comment below. You can visit them. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel.